Orefua Dominic. I'm one of the applicants for this TechTime coding assessment, and so I'll be showing you the development server of the project right now. So I created the project using React.js, and I used Yarn with Vite as a package manager to start to build the React project. And for the styling, I used Tailwind CSS. So to start the project here, we are going to run yarn dev. So started. Let's see it here. Okay, so this is the desktop version of the project, showcasing the nav bar, the arrow section, the life classes section, and the details section, or the courses section, and they are both arranged in a card format. The review section to apply it and saying, which you can check all here, and the social network section where you can view students from all over the globe, and the frequently asked question you can view, select and view, and finally the footer section. So I'll be showing you the mobile version of it right now. So the same way we're having this 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 is just the nav bar here. Because of the screen size, it has to be hidden and opened on the click of a button right here. So this is just like the Euro section in a responsive manner, basically. Courses, what our clients are saying, the review section, we can toggle in between the network section, the frequently asked section, and the footer section. So this is basically how it is from the dev server. So I'll be showing you how it's going to be like I'll be running it on the Docker on a containerized server in a short while. So to start up the Docker, I provided the readme for that. So the readme is here. Okay. So I'm using Linux here, so I'll have to use sudo to grant Docker the permission. But if you are using Mac OS, you don't actually need that. You can just use Docker build -c TechTime. Like TechTime is the name of the project. So and Docker to run the containerized image. So this is my Docker setup. The syntax here is from, which I'm using, like since I'm using Node.js as the base. So this will be like the base image, which is the node latest, and I'll set up a working directory for it, which is going to be the app. And I'm going to copy the configurations into the app directory. So the configurations are the package.json and the log files. Since I'm using yarn.log, and so this will basically install the dependencies, and this will just copy the rest of the folders into the directory. Then the next syntax is going to run the project, and I'm exposing it on the port 5173, and the command to run from the development server is going to be the yarn dev, as I said earlier. And this is just like a preview of everything. I'd love to show you how it works basically, but because of our time here, soon. Actually, I would love to show you, but it will actually take a lot of time, and so this is just basically how it is. But let's try and run it build. Let me try and run this build. So since I'm using Linux Ubuntu, you can see it's even more faster than I thought. If I'm using Linux, I'll have to use a sudo to I have to prepend a sudo to grant it access before I can write the remainder of the syntax. It's all there in the README, and to run it, I have to use sudo docker run. But okay, I've stopped the local development server. Now to run it on the Docker server, you can just in this way. And now it's run on the development server, but this time it's run on Docker containerized image. So as you can see, it's now run on Docker. This is the containerized image of it. So this is basically everything here, and to kill the server now, you have to use the container ID. You have to use the container ID to stop it, actually. So stop the application from running. So it has been stopped now. So this is basically everything regarding it, and everything you need is provided in the README. So, and this is just like a sneak preview of how the repository looks like, in which you are having the README here to guide, and all the dependencies are used in the application. So this is basically all. Thank you.